Hey guys, this is Yashraj, and this is some old type of hard disk that could be found in our old laptop or computer. And in today's video guys, we are going to convert them or make them compatible with USB ports so that we can insert them into our new laptop and computers and take information from them. So guys, stay tuned, hit a like and enjoy. So guys, this is the 2-in-1 USB 2.0 hard disk enclosure that works for both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch hard disks, and I brought it from Amazon for 600 rupees. Links in the description. On the back side of the box we can see some features of the product, and this device basically converts an internal hard drive to an external one. So guys, opening up the box, we first find the nicely packed enclosure, and let's fast forward the video a little bit so that it does not take much of your time. Inside we get two cables. One is the USB cable to transfer data between the enclosure and your laptop or desktop, and a power supply adapter. Now I want to make you guys a note that I am not sponsored by any company by any means. It's my unbiased and honest review. Now the length of this adapter wire is an issue. It could be a little longer. Now moving on to the main device, I really like the plastic material the device is made of, and the ports are nicely situated at the back. There is a switch, and on the front we can see some branding of the company, and if we just press it from the top a little bit, the upper side of the box can be slided out, and this is the space for the hard drive to slide in. Now let's have a look on how this device actually works. So guys, this is my 500 GB hard disk that I took out from my old desktop, and the first step is to slide out the upper side of the box of the enclosure, and then take your hard disk, and from the side where the SATA connections are coming out, just slide the hard drive inside the enclosure. Now once slided in, you just need to press it a little bit to make all the connections fit properly, and now as you can see, it's tight and snug fit, no gaps are coming out. Now you can just slide the cover back to its position. Now we just need to make all the connections to make our external drive come to life. So now just take the USB cable and attach the other end to the enclosure. Next, take out your adapter and plug the cable inside the enclosure, switch it on and power up the adapter. So once you power up the case, the LED lights will start indicating, and now the external hard drive is ready to boom. So guys, now I will be connecting the enclosure via USB to my laptop, and I'll be showing you the transfer speed of the files. Guys, these four are my hard disk drives. So I'll be trying to move this 1.18 GB movie file from my hard disk to my laptop. So let me transfer it to my laptop drive, and now you can see the transfer speed. So you can see the enclosure is transferring the files with a rate of 40 Mbps to my laptop. So guys, if you want to buy this product, the links are given in the description, and if you enjoyed my work, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. This is Yashraj signing off. Meet you in my next video.